YouTubers and YouTubies. NorthCoastT here. Chuck over at Panzer Platform asked me to do a trunk tour of my Crown Victoria. This is the Crown Victoria LX Sport 2002, and let's get into it. So, this is my trunk. I don't do a lot of cleaning or changes to the trunk just because I spend so little time in here. I have two 12-inch Kenwoods in a pretty nice sounding sub box there. It's got a Kenwood amp running it. I did install the box upside down just to give it more airflow behind it. I like the way it air flows on the amp is mounted on the back of it, so I like the way the air flows on the back a little better with it mounted upside down. And not much to the trunk. I got the factory 6-disc CD changer over on the side. I keep a little emergency kit, has flares in it, and a help sign, I think, and somebody gave me that at one point, so I just keep it in there. And I have jumper cables. I also keep a breaker bar with a socket on it for the lugs on this vehicle. I like it better than a 4-way. And then I have the factory jack in there, full-size spare, and that's it. There's nothing else in here. There was one modification before I bought the vehicle. That is a wheelchair lift mount. It actually had the whole lift in here when I bought the vehicle. I bought it off an elderly gentleman who was in a wheelchair, so he had the lift installed in here. And I did one modification. I did install an LED light bulb in the actual trunk light, but other than that, it is all factory. And even with that box in there, there's still a lot of room if you needed to put something in the back here. You got both sides. You got about 12 inches on top of the box, and then about 8 inches to 10 inches there in front of the box, and then on both sides, obviously. With this box in here facing the rear, it really hits pretty hard with the base. But sorry, nothing too customized in here in the trunk. Just kind of a plain old trunk. Like I said, I don't spend a lot of time in there. There's enough room in there that you could spend a lot of time in there. Set up a small apartment, but nope, I don't spend that much time in there. So, but there you have it. Trunk Tour 2020 for the Crown Vic. And this is going out to Chuck over at Panzer Platform and everyone else who enjoys the Crown Victorias. Thank you, and I hope you have a good day. Until next time.